The morning light looks very gentle today.
Yes, the city feels calm from up here.
The clouds are moving so slowly.
It feels like time is resting.
This room feels peaceful.
I like waking up like this. I will open the window a little.
I like the fresh air. I can hear the city waking up.
It sounds busy but friendly. Our bags are ready.
Good, today will be a long day.
I feel quiet this morning.
That's okay. Quiet can be nice.
The stone is next to me.
You always keep it close.
The sunlight is touching it again.
It looks different every time.
I can see the symbols now.
They are very soft but clear.
I will lift it carefully.
Go slowly.
The light is sliding across the surface.
Yes, I can see that.
The symbols are clearer now.
They look awake.
I'm watching every line.
This is interesting. The window light is strong.
It helps the stone.
The curtain is moving again.
The breeze changes the light.
The side light works best.
Good observation.
The lines are shifting gently.
Not fast, just enough.
I will hold still.
That's smart.
Let's enjoy this moment.
Together. Let me tighten the straps.
We should be comfortable. I'll put water inside.
We might need a lot.
All papers are here.
Good planning.
The stone goes in this pouch.
Safe fan close.
Here is the map.
The mountains look big.
I'll circle this area.
That's the highlands. We're going up high.
I feel excited.
I think we are ready.
Yes.
I'll wear my jacket.
Good idea.
Let's go.
Adventure is waiting. The taxi is moving fast.
I like watching the streets.
You're very curious today.
There's so much to see.
The airport is ahead.
We're on time.
It feels big inside.
Airports always do.
I love these windows.
They let the sky in.
Planes are waiting.
So many journeys. I want to stand here longer.
We can look for a moment.
Come on, Anna.
We'll see more soon. The plane feels calm.
I like this feeling.
I got the window seat.
Perfect for you. You look relaxed.
So do you. Let me sit back.
The seat is soft. We are lifting up.
Look at the city.
The clouds look endless.
Like snow.
The sunlight is strong here.
The carvings are glowing.
It feels warm.
That's the light.
Just watch quietly.
I am.
That was a smooth landing.
Welcome back.
Everything looks warm.
Very welcoming.
Let's walk slowly.
Okay.
The street is alive.
So much movement. Those fabrics are bright.
Full of color. The texture feels soft.
I like it. The patterns are everywhere.
Culture speaks through art. See the mountains?
They're calling us.
Our bus is waiting.
Let's go.
Find a seat.
I want a window.
The road is narrow.
But beautiful.
Clouds are dancing.
Between the peaks.
The sun is breaking through.
It's perfect light. I'll lift the stone again.
Let's see.
The symbols changed.
Yes, right away.
You noticed fast.
Good eyes.
I'll adjust it.
Slowly.
That angle works.
I can feel it.
We are very close now.
I believe so.
That village looks old.
Very peaceful.
The paths are quiet.
I like walking here.
Let's be respectful.
Always.
That entrance feels special.
Yes.
Carvings everywhere.
So many stories.
Light comes from above.
Perfect timing.
I'll steady the wall.
I'm ready.
I'll step back.
Give her space.
I'm holding the stone up.
Into the light.
The patterns are matching.
Gently.
The light feels warm.
Very peaceful.
A sun symbol.
Hidden in silence.
I feel amazed.
You should.
We did this together.
As always.
This journey feels complete.
Some journeys stay in the heart.